Hey guys, so this is a package that I just received from eBay, and let's open it and see what this holds. Now, it's not the nicest package here. Oh my gosh, this is so terrible. Oof, in terms of the packaging, this person certainly could have done better. But at least they're clean plastic bags, so I can't complain too much. Okay, so this here is one of my favorite cameras that I've actually spoken about here on this channel, and that is the Olympus IS3. Now, the Olympus IS3 has a very unique design, as you can see, and the reason why it looks like this is because it's a bridge camera. It's what you call a bridge camera. What makes this a bridge camera? It's simply a bridge between an SLR, which is a single lens reflex, and a point and shoot camera. It has the attributes of a single lens reflex camera and the ease of use and the versatility of a point and shoot camera. Now, an SLR, as you can tell, whatever you're seeing through the viewfinder here is light coming through this single lens here. And so the image is formed through from light coming through here, incident on the film here, and there's a mirror in here which reflects that light through your viewfinder. So it's a single lens reflex camera. However, this is also a point and shoot camera. It has the ease of use of a point and shoot camera, which means that you can simply point and shoot. But what makes this camera more versatile is that it also has like some manual features and some automatic features as well, which makes it quite useful. This is by far my favorite bridge camera, and the lens is very good. The images that I got shooting with this camera, very good. I would highly recommend this camera. It is not overrated. It is barely known, and you can find it for under $100 on eBay.